From our friends at Stamperia, a very striking paper pack. Well, I guess they all are, but this is very unique, called Oriental Garden. There are 10 double-sided papers. They are all 12 by 12, padded on the left. And let me show you what this has. So it's going to start out with all of these wonderful tags that you can just trim out, and I absolutely love the verbiage on it. It's all in English. So just earth laughs and flowers, the earth has music for those who listen. Just the way to do is to be. When the flower blossoms, the bee will come. So kind of Zen quality going on here. There's a ton of them here. I should really count them for you, shouldn't I? But we want to move on. So here is the first full-size page. We'll back up just a smidge so that you can, there you go. No, tighter, tighter, Houston, thank you. You saw my messy table. And the back of this is an all-over pattern. Isn't that striking? So kind of the bark of a tree with the letters, the characters. And isn't that gorgeous? An all-over tile, really, really pretty. Just nice. Can you just imagine cards being made out of that, or pages? The back side of it is a beautiful page. And again, I always think in terms of, what can I do with cards? I can do lots of different things. Here is some artwork that you can cut out. And beautiful, just beautifully done. On the back side, a little bit plainer, but would also be beautiful in your paper crafting. Here's a full-size sheet, and again, you can trim it out just as you like. And there's an all-over pattern, just gorgeous, really pretty with that ink work. And then we have another full-size. Again, you can trim it out or use it as is. Lots of possibilities there. There's the back side of it. So nice. Oh, isn't this lovely? Oh, so pretty. You can see the waterworks, the birds, the branches, and then an all-over sheet. I told you this was really unique. And that, and then the back side is more of the character writing. Aren't these stunning? Just so pretty. This is why we do the product videos. I really want you to be able to see everything. And this is the darker. The way to do is to be. And then we have some circles, which is really nice. Just lovely. Aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. And the back side, well, we've got an all-over pattern on the back side. Here is another all-over page, or full-size page. And on the back side of it, just beautiful. Yes, just beautiful. And there's the last sheet. Now, there are some flowers that we have to go with this, and let me get to, I'll use this. So these are kind of an apricot color, and I think they do really nicely with the apricot that's in there. And then we have another one, and this is red and just really gorgeous with that glitter. So that's going to go nicely with all of these shades of red that are in here. So very different, two very different colors going on here. Let me give you the item numbers for these. And I'm sorry, I don't know which is which. Yes, I do. Okay, so this is 4015394. This one is 4015386. So there you go, paperwishes.com. So Oriental Garden is just a stunning collection, as you would expect. From Stamperia, I do need to tell you that all of these are in limited quantities.